Hello friends, welcome back to Fascinating Oz. Land of many firsts. A plethora of objects and concepts originated in India, starting from the game of snake and ladders to chess, buttons, shampooing, the number pi, diamond mining, zero, algebra, trigonometry, along with the finding of the presence of water on the moon. World's only floating post office in Dal Lake in Srinagar. India is not only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Perched on a houseboat, it also includes a floating museum within itself. Maisan is the wettest place on earth with 11,873 millimeters of rain annually. This town in Meghalaya gets about 11,873 millimeters of rain owing to its proximity to the Bay of Bengal. The winter months of this region are spent in preparations for 6 months long ahead monsoon. The only country with a Bill of Rights for cows. India is the world's largest milk producer with 22% of global production. Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism, and the Constitution A has set of rules in place that prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. A voting poll booth set up for just one voter in Gujarat. India's most privileged voter Mahant Bharat Das resides in a small hamlet called Panij in the middle of Gir Forest, Gujarat. The setting up of a particular polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking disciples about the democratic spirit of the country. Shani Shignapur is village where the houses don't have doors. Attracting over 40,000 devotees each day to a 300-year-old legend, this village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. The tiny village of Madhukat is called the Officers' Village of India. A small village in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhupati has created history by producing most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers to Indian administration. Not just that, many from the same village have made their careers by joining prestigious organizations like ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center and World Bank. The largest number of vegetarians in the world. India is the country with the largest number of vegetarians in the world. Around 29% to 40% of these people are vegetarians. The highest cricket ground in the world. India is a cricket-loving nation. The highest cricket ground in the world is situated at a level of 2,144 meters above sea level in Chail, Himachal Pradesh. India is the second largest English-speaking nation. India is the second largest English-speaking nation, second only to the US. India has around 10% of its population fluent in English. If you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.